Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to animate in 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, let's just go ahead and create a simple object right here. Let's say a box. Okay. So at the top from here, maybe one big box. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clone it. Instance. Right here. Now, to go ahead and animate, all you need to do is assign a keyframe. Okay, just like in video editing softwares, we have keyframing. So first up, select the object, and then once done, as you can see, we have this timeline right here that is based to what? Frames per second. 1 frame, 5, 10 frames, 15 to 100. Now, if you want to change the frame number, just go ahead and click on this time configuration icon right here. So click on it and then go ahead and change animation, what? Frame count. Okay. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and change this one to 60 frames. Okay. And then click on OK. As you can see here, the number changes. Now, finally, to add in a frame, all you got to do is just start on 0. Then you have auto sign or auto key mode right here, or set key. So select the object, set a key, make sure that you start from 0. Set key right here, or press K on your keyboard. Okay, again K. Now here we have this keyframe icon. Now move the timeline maybe to the end. Move your object before giving a keyframe, just like so. And then when you go ahead on play, as you can see here, that is now moving. All right. Now, tip here for you. You can go ahead and use curves. Okay. So select the second object. And by the way, let's just go ahead and copy the same attributes from this box. So let's go ahead and copy this one. Copy and move it aside, just like so. Then we're going to click on it. Go ahead over to graph editors, and we have here track view curve editor. Click on it, and as you can see here, it goes to a curve. Okay. These tiny boxes right here represents what? Or keyframes. Now, for example, as you can see, the green is the y-axis. Okay. Now, if you want to change the curve, make sure that you select the start curve or start keyframe, as well as the last keyframe. Okay. This one. All right. Now all you got to do is just go ahead over to the top and just click on. So let's just go ahead and make it bigger. Okay. For us to see more options. All right. Like this one right here. We have set tangent to linear. So when we click on it, okay. So this one is linear. This one still has the curve. Okay. So click on it. Now it's straight. Now we'll go ahead and select the second object. It still has the curve. Now to know the difference, let's go ahead and click on play right here. As you can see, this one starts slow, but eventually catches up. Then it's going to end slow. All right. This one is steady. So all you got to do is just play around with the graph curves or graph editors right here. And you should be good to go. That is what is the basics of animation here in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.